Green investment is a global growing trend. They can be of interest to environmentally conscious individuals, as they may want to support the trend while also earning from it. In this video, we will explore what green investments mean, what type of green investments are available at XTB, and how to choose the right investment option. So what are green investments? Green investments refer to financial instruments that support environmentally friendly projects. Mainly under the term are shares of companies like Tesla. Also ETFs that support the energy transition in some way. Their activities may include, for example, number 1, clean and renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, hydrogen, or uranium, for example. Number 2, sustainable agriculture. Number 3, green transportation, like electric cars. Compared to traditional institutions, green investments take into account long-term environmental and social impact, as well as financial return. The emphasis is on investing in companies with a good ESG rating, rather than focusing only on short-term return. Let's look into green investing at XTB. Investments in green energy, in principle, can be divided into 2 categories. 1, investments in companies, and 2, investments in ETFs. XTB allows investments in both types of assets. It provides investors with commission-free trading in both stocks and ETFs. XTB offers the opportunity to invest in shares in hundreds of green-listed companies and ETFs and shares of green sustainable funds known for ESG investing. They are available from a wide range of sectors, from wind energy to nuclear power to investments in solar, water, or hydrogen. For a more detailed breakdown of all you can invest in at XTB, you can find them all in our linked article in the description below. What are the benefits of green energy investment? 1, investors are helping to create a better future for themselves and society as a whole. Number 2, potential for long-term growth and profitability due to the global trend toward green solutions. Number 3, they can better align with personal values and commitments to sustainability. Number 4, they offer the opportunity to support companies that prioritize social responsibility while generating financial return. When researching green investment opportunities, here are some tips. Number 1, look for ESG rating, environmental, social, and governance. Number 2, research company sustainability reports. You can evaluate risks and returns by, number 1, analyzing market trends. Number 2, consider government policies on green investment. It's important to research companies that align with your values and invest in those making real strides towards environmental sustainability. By making green investments, we can make a positive impact on both the environment and our portfolio. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing. Make sure you follow XTB to learn more about trading and investing.